The most important thing is you can get that 105-watt boost, and this is going to prevent any issues from any power fluctuations and or power supply damage. I've got the Srotime 105-watt Starlink Mini booster cord. So this is going to power your Starlink Mini while you're traveling. It's got some cool features in it that are going to be important to protect your Starlink Mini. To install it, you're going to have to take off the little piece here, just lift up and pull out. And then you're just going to plug it in there. And here's the other end. You can see you can actually plug in USB-A, USB-C, and you're just going to plug this into your adapter. So let's get that in there. Once I plug this in, it booted up as fast as the cord that comes with the unit. The most important thing is you can get that 105-watt boost, and this is going to prevent any issues from any power fluctuations and or power supply damage. Now this is the 6.5-foot cord, which is fine in my situation, but they have a few other ones if you need something a little bit longer. It also has built-in heat dissipation and a built-in fuse to help protect against overheating, short circuits, and overloads. This is an all-weather cable, so it is waterproof, dustproof. It can handle the scorching sun and cold resistant to -40 Celsius. As far as the booting on the app, no issues. It booted quickly. Check out the Srotime 105-watt Boost Starlink Mini car adapter.